Another day, another video of Rose casually flexing things that you all don't have. On today's Flex with Bros, I have a Realme phone that is very much unlike most of my phone reviews because this is the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G FreeFire Limited Edition phone, and I've heard so many great things about the unboxing experience. Now, this is a gaming phone that also offers powerful lifestyle features. Sounds interesting, right? So, let's go! Starting it strong with the unboxing. The box has a FreeFire logo over here and a printed character. Oh wait, sorry, that's inside. Never mind. Let's open it up. The first thing I see is Dare to Fight. So it actually comes with two packaging because it comes with a map. This is the FreeFire map that you can open up for collectors. And over here we have stickers. FreeFire and realme stickers. Oh, and this is the redemption code that you guys can actually redeem in-game. So this is a special code for your collectibles in-game. Let's start with the phone unboxing. So it comes with a yellow box, but unlike your usual Realme box, it has a FreeFire logo and a character. Realme FreeFire. Inside here we have... Okay, I was really excited about this. This is the SIM card ejector, but it is shaped like a knife. Okay, so this is the SIM card ejector that is shaped like a knife, which is actually kind of cute. And then there's the Booyah symbol on there, the typical paperwork. And then we have the phone itself. So this is the Realme 9 Pro Plus Limited Edition FreeFire one. Ta-da! It looks so pretty. USB-A to USB-C cable. A silicone phone case for your phone. And the Super Dart charger. That is everything that's in the box. Let's move on to the design because this surely stands out. The details are so spot on that there are 6 added designs to make it look more different rather than all the basic phones out there. The top left has a Booyah victory symbol, and if we go a little lower, you can see a FreeFire knife as well as a knife blade. The top right showcases a gun bolt and a dual blades battle logo. The back also has a gun barrel reflection and FreeFire's logo that shines with hues of purple and green when hit with the right angle of light. Speaking of design, Realme is truly starting a trendsetter bar with this collaboration, and you can really see their philosophy of Dare to Leap coming through with the design choice. Realme believes that smartphones are not just your everyday device, but is also a way for the young people to showcase their taste and style. For every smartphone launch, Realme implemented these trendy designs for each range, giving them their own identity that is easy for others to spot. And for this 9 Pro Plus FreeFire Limited Edition, Realme went for a funky cyberpunk design, which is kind of the trend right now, so this phone definitely fits the vibe. The phone also comes with a special FreeFire themed UI, which has uniquely designed FreeFire wallpapers, a special icon pack, and it even has FreeFire pre-installed to just hop into the game when you first get your phone. As we all know, gaming phones are towards the pricier side when it comes to pricing. However, the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G FreeFire Limited Edition is a smartphone that offers you an amazing gaming experience while still giving you features that offer you a device with a perfect balance for lifestyle as well. So, what is this lifestyle balance the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G FreeFire Limited Edition can offer? When you consider buying a device, surely there are other specs you take into consideration as well. In this case, I know having a high-performing camera is one of them. Now, this device is packed with a Sony IMX766 OIS camera that offers you brighter and crisper photo thanks to the OIS technology. A phone that you can game with and give cute shots. I mean, yes please. Besides looking cute, we need to ensure that this phone can actually provide us with an incredible gaming experience on top of all its flagship features. This phone comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G processor to help us level up our internet experience, and it even uses lower power consumption for an overall increased battery usage. So, throughout the day, whether for gaming or for your general usage, this device will ensure a smooth user experience. Say goodbye to your leggy phone days. And since we will play a ton of games with this baby, the display is just as important as the specs. The 90Hz Super AMOLED display comes in handy to ensure that everything appears smooth to the eyes. Still not convinced, is it? I'm sure this will convince you because it comes with a 360Hz touch sampling rate, which means that your touch is registered super duper duper quick. You tekanja and it will not lag, and if you still die, then that seems to be a you problem. Have you ever experienced uneven audio when you're gaming? That's most probably because your phone has a mono speaker. However, the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G comes with dual stereo speakers that is powered by Dolby Atmos, making for clear and loud audio. Lastly, I know that you would want your phone to last longer than normal because gaming does drain our battery pretty fast. Hence, the large 4500 mAh battery can last you quite a few rounds of FreeFire, and if it drains, the 60-watt Super Dart charger can totally help you reduce your battery as you whip up a snack. That is it for today's video of Flex with Rose, featuring the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G FreeFire Limited Edition, a phone that is designed to satisfy your gaming and lifestyle needs. You will definitely fall in love with the phone's unique in-trend design. It's not only packaged beautifully that includes a lot of collectibles, it can also surely help you get endless booyahs. If you're interested in getting this phone, check out the link in the description box. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Because my name is Rose and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!